Hey everyone, I'm so excited to be part of this heart-healthy collaboration. Today we're going to be making heart-healthy dishes. And it's Heart-Healthy Month, so what a better theme. What I'm going to make is an easy, heart-healthy salmon salad, and it's also tasty. I tend to like things to be special, especially to try and get me to eat salads. So I have put special ingredients in this salad. But you can switch them out, and I will tell you different ideas on making this salad work for you. Be sure to check in the description box below to click on the links to the other collaborators and watch their videos on these heart-healthy foods. I wish everyone a heart-healthy month. Let's get started. Well, this is such an easy salad recipe, and with salmon in it, it is loaded with omega-3 oils and such heart-healthy ingredients, and it's so flavorful that you'll enjoy it. So what I've done is I've taken a salmon fillet. I buy mine from Whole Foods or Costco that are individually wrapped and frozen, and I can just pull them out of the freezer that morning and have them thawed and ready. They're about a 4 to 6 ounce fillet. So once it's thawed, you want to pat it dry or use fresh, but I always recommend using wild salmon. Farm salmon has a tendency to have the fish crowded in, and you know what goes on in a crowded area. I don't want any part of that, and I recommend that you don't either. Okay, so once our salmon is patted dry, we're going to want to just spray a little oil, or you could put parchment paper down. And then put our salmon down, and then I'm going to spray a little oil onto the top of the salmon, and I always use olive oil or avocado oil. That's heart-healthy oil. A slight amount of salt, watch your sodium quantities, and some black pepper. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the broiler for about 3 or 4 minutes. Keep an eye on it, and we're going to cook it until it's about 125 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit in that thickest part. All right. Now, while our salmon is broiling, let's make up a little dressing for our salad. Easy. We're going to do just a little bit of Dijon mustard. I've got rice vinegar. White wine vinegar is also very good with this, and a little olive oil. So I'm just going to put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. About a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And a couple of tablespoons of rice vinegar. This will be enough to make dressing for 2 salads. I'm only making 1 today, but I'll have extra dressing. And then I just put a lid on it and shake it up. You could whisk it up. And I have not added salt and pepper. I'm trying to control my sodium. So for heart healthy, you should do the same. And then later, once it's on your salad, give it a taste and see if it works for you with the seasonings. If not, add a few then. Okay, let's check on our salmon. Next, what we want to do is take a large bowl and fill it with mixed salad greens. I've got about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of salad greens. That's a large salad. Make yours the size that you would enjoy. And then take some beets. Add a few of the chopped beets to your salad. Very healthy. Then we're going to add our dressing. I used about 1/2 of that. And we want to coat that well. So mix those greens in, get them well coated. Now, if you don't like beets, you can leave those out, but it does add nice flavor to the salad and makes it even healthier. we're going to add goat cheese crumbles. A few pistachios. I've taken 2 radishes and thinly sliced them. Just add a few slices of the radishes on top. About a teaspoon of capers. I love capers, so I'm adding more. And we've got pomegranate seeds. Very healthy. Okay, now all our salad needs is the salmon. Let's check it. Now, while we wait for our salmon to finish cooking, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the videos, and also check out the other collaborators' videos and subscribe to theirs also. They have some great recipes that they put out just about once a week at least. And so the other thing is you're going to be able to find the ingredients for this recipe down in the description below, and feel free to switch off some of the ingredients that maybe you don't have on hand or that you prefer to add something different. Try avocado, very heart healthy. Cauliflower, I like the crunch of it. Red onions, very nice in this. So use your imagination and suit this salad to you. Let's check on that salmon. Remember, taking care of your heart is so important, and it's easy to do. You just need to think about it a little and add a little energy to what you do. I hope that this recipe is going to inspire you to do a little more for your heart. And hopefully your weather is as nice as mine is here today. Sun is shining, high 60s, a slight breeze, and oh, the flowers and plants are blooming so beautifully. So take a nice long walk, even if it's bad weather. Take a walk and enjoy nature. It's good for your heart. I'm gonna go check on that salmon. The salmon is ready. I checked the internal temperature and mine is at 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Even 125 degrees Fahrenheit is a good temperature. So let's put this on our salad. There we go. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh, heart healthy salad. You have got to give it a try and take good care of your heart. And come back and see us again soon. Eat well. Bye now.